Recently picked up this Brother printer for home office use, and I have had a different Brother for probably 10 years, and it finally messed up. So I switched to the Brother brand years ago when I went into an ink cartridge place, and I asked the guy what brand he recommended. He told me Brother. So I brought a Brother and really liked it. Well, this is the MFC J1010DW. One reason I got a Brother because I was familiar with it and I was really happy with it. So they have a very easy user interface. This one you plug it in, and it was very easy to connect wirelessly to my laptops, which I really appreciated that. Now again, I was used to an older model, and I typically buy replacement ink cartridges. I know it tells you to buy the Brother brand. I typically do not do that. So these are two ink cartridges these are two 4-pack of ink cartridges that I bought as replacements for this, because when you get it, it just comes with a small amount of ink in it. I will say I've been very happy with how it's printing. Everything's working great. You can make copies by putting your paper up here and having it pull through, or you can raise the glass and make a copy that way. It's got scan and fax and printing, all that kind of stuff. The ink cartridges, the main thing for these when you buy cartridges that are not the original Brother brand is just make sure that they're compatible. So I actually did change out the yellow the other day. You're going to pull it out. Again, very easy to install. You see these are all still the original Brother ones, but I changed out the yellow. You pop it in, and actually the screen when I put it in, it said, did you just install a non-Brother brand cartridge? Like, it recognized that it was not the Brother brand cartridge, but it still recognized it, went to full, and it's printing yellow for me. So that's the main thing. This one uses LC401 ink cartridges. So these two replacement brands I got, one is from Ink4U, and the other one is a brand GSC. Both of them get really good ratings. So if you're looking for replacement cartridges for this particular printer and want to go away from the Brother brand, then these would be two that I would recommend. But been very happy with my initial setup and use of this printer. And I've been printing paper, envelopes, things like that. I'm a big fan of the Brother brand.